Alright, so we got circles. You're writing down the definition of a circle. Set of all points in a plane that are a distance r from a given point, and you'll see down here that r is your radius. Called the center. C is my center, r is my radius. So one more time, circle is a set of all points in a plane that are a distance r from a given point called the center. And here's the standard form equation of a circle. X minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. R is your radius and hk is your center.
So are those the coordinates for the center?
Yes, let me write that down. So your center is hk.
What does the C stand? Does the C just mean center?
Yeah, C is for center, R for radius. Alright, does everybody have that down?
Hold on 1 second.
Yes. Any questions while we're still writing? Okay, pretty basic so far. Alright?
Yep.
First example. So we're going to take the standard form of the equation and just plug in the information we know. Write an equation of a circle with a center of -4, 3, and radius of 4. Alright, so somebody read out to me the equation that you just wrote down for the standard form.
It's x minus h squared, parentheses, plus y minus k squared equals r squared.
Equals r squared. So all you do is plug in the information. So what would go in the first set of parentheses?
X
So
plus
-4.
X
minus-
plus 4.
What?
Because you minus negative.
Because
yeah.
h is -4, so when you plug -4 in right here, you get x minus a -4 to get x
Yeah, I
plus
thought
4.
you plugged those ones in, it's like the X and the Y.
No, they go in for h and k.
Okay.
Going back to your definition that the center is hk. Alright, so what goes in the second set?
Y minus 3 squared.
Good. Plus y minus 3 squared equals what?
4 squared,
16. That's it.
Is that the equation?
That's your equation. That's all you have to deal with.
So do we solve for X and Y, or is that?
No, you're done. You want it in standard form, you want to write the equation of the circle in standard form, yes.
Are you gonna write the answer for the second example on this page, or you're gonna change it first?
On this example,
Yeah. Okay,
I'm
you're
going to
right.
stay right here until I get to the graph.
Okay.
Alright, so write the equation for the translation of x squared plus y squared equals 9. If it's in this form, this is still standard form even though you don't have an h and a k. What's your center?
Oh, so it's 0, 0?
0, 0. Your center is 0, 0 if it's just x squared plus y squared. What's your radius?
9.
3. Because this is r squared. So your
five-
radius
Oh,
would
okay.
be the square root of that, which is 3. Alright? So if we're going 4 units left and 3 units up, we're translating this graph 4 units left and 3 units up. What is your center?
0, 0. Oh, wait.
4,
No, after the
3?
translation.
4,
4
Negative
units
3.
left,
I know,
Negative
3.
4.
negative
3.
4,
Mhm.
and 3 units up would be positive 3.
Yeah.
So what's my new equation? Well, it's the same as it was up there
Yeah.
in the first example, so it was
Except
x
the radius is different.
plus 4, x plus 4 squared plus
y minus 3 squared.
equals
3 squared.
9. Yeah, 3 squared, which is 9.
Okay.
Alright? So then from there, we've got to graph the translation, which we are about to do. Everybody ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna go here, and all I do, the original graph had a center of 0, 0. So you put a point at 0, 0, and when you graph your radius, you just go 3 units in every direction. 3 units up, 3 units right,
Is
3
it always
units
been
down.
3?
And no, just this example, because they told me the radius was 3.
Oh, okay.
All right, and then I'll draw the best circle I can.
Does it have to be like exact? or-
No.
or
It's
efficient?
gonna be, unless you can get a compass out. All right, then the translation, what was my center?
-4.
-4, 3, so here's my new center. My radius is still 3, so just go 3 units in every direction. Left, right, up, down, and do the same thing. So the blue circle is a translation of the black circle.
When we're doing this, do we have to always draw like the before one?
No,
Like the one-
no, if you
we
just
do
draw the translation, you're fine. Okay. All right. Everybody got that one?
Yes, sir.
Good, moving on. One more. Find the center and the radius of the circle, so you're given the equation this time. And you have to find the center and the radius and then graph. So just by looking at it, what is your center?
16 and then
Good. 16, -9, and what is your radius?
12.
12.
How
Any
do you
question
get
on
that? Oh,
that?
you take the square root of.
Square root of 144 to get the radius. All right, now to graph this,
Down.
Do we need this in our notes, or?
yeah, I'll come back and you can add that. If you, unless you want me to wait.
Just like ones. Okay, thank you.
Okay. All right, and then graph here, what was the center, 16, -9?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
We might need to change. Sixteen. Let's see, 16, -9 would be about right here, right? 16, -9, then what was my radius, 12? So you just go 12 units in every direction, so 16 plus 12 would give me 28. So I'm gonna have a point here. 16 minus 12 is 4, so I have a point at 4. And then, was that my center, 16, -9?
Yes.
Okay, so
This is 12.
-9 plus 12 is what?
3.
4.
3, so I should have a point at 3 on the Y. And then -9 minus 12 is -21. So there are the 4 points you need to be focused on. And then just connect those with a circle.
Is there any way to plug this into our calculator?
Yes. But again, to plug this into your calculator, I wouldn't recommend it right now. To
You'd have
plug
to
this
put
into
it
your,
like
you have to
the
solve for
before.
Y,
Okay.
which can be tedious.
Doesn't
So
look good.
if you know the standard form of the equation, then you should be able to graph it.
What do we get?